Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change password on Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here at the top, we have the traders, lenders, the about and more. We also have the sign out button and return to platform. And also in the very middle of the screen, we have the start trading button. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change password on Bitfinex. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So to change your password on Bitfinex, follow these 4 steps. Step 1 is to log into your Bitfinex account, as I already told you in the start of the video. Step 2 is to navigate to your account page, which you can do by clicking on Start Trading. First of all, and here, of course, in the top left corner, as you can see, you have your account page, which you can click on. Then enter your current password. Then enter your new password and confirm it. Make sure your new password is strong and unique to enhance your account security. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.